how to buy DADD token. So this token came under the symbol of DADD, D-A-D-D. Now before start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. Before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your own research. Also, there is referral codes down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply goes below, fund your account and enjoy the benefits. Check it in my description. Now, before going on by this token, make sure to check the next account and keep following the updates about this token. As you can see, this token is available on the screen. Here to be able to buy this token, copy the token address from here. This token address is under this Solana network. Open your funds wallet for that. Now, after that, click on swap here. Make sure you have enough Solana on your wallets. Click here and paste the token address. So this is our token. Click on it. So here, type how much you want to buy. As you can see here, you will be able to see the how much you will receive of that token. After that, select provider, for example, Jupiter. There is only one provider. After that, make sure to read all of that information. Click on swap here, and you will be redirected to Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. If you face any issue, go back to this page and switch the step from here or customize, because the most of issues came from the step. After that, you can be able to buy this token without any issue. So this is how to buy that token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.